You press enter and a web page appears so fast it feels like one action. It is really a short relay: find, connect, ask, receive, and build. The browser works out the web address, then DNS helps translate the name into a destination computers can use. DNS is the address lookup, not the website itself. The browser connects to that destination. For HTTPS, TLS helps protect the connection and check the site identity. The padlock is about the connection, not a magic good website badge. The browser sends an HTTP request. The server sends an HTTP response, perhaps a document, perhaps a redirect, and often instructions that lead to more resources. The browser reads the document, gets images, styles, and scripts when needed, then assembles the page. That is why a page can begin appearing before everything arrives. Browsers can reuse connections, use cached files, and make many requests at once. But the relay still helps. Find the name, connect securely, ask the server, and build the page. One address bar, several understandable jobs.